Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Haka jingja ke bas ngusir ke bamju kamja kwat haka ni kerilom kasi jentia. Kawai ke Longkmie kasi kelasa Pynïap halau jong ukurim. Kani ke jingja kelaja haka arp sautrek mentau benal ber haka senang motion kebaran haka than pen ursla. Haka bau wairang ba yobal tep kerteng kum bestar wel nongklau lai pu prasnem kerta ula syem ya ke jingim jong ke kurim jong u ke kong Madeline kong maulo lai pun rusnem kerta. Kabalang ro ke kemi jong ki laingut ki khon bat ikhon khaddo idei bedang asnem kerta. Kat kum ke jing thu jong ki Bahaïing bat kawai na ki khon jong ni ka Longkmie laong ba bestar wel nongklau ula syem ya ke jingim jong ke kurim lajong hakapor ba ula song set khau yang da ka bathang ya ka da kading. Kading ru kam syem na syempor ban bam do ya ka met jong ni ka Longkmie. Kadai namar haka jing ya kaja kani ka Longkmie kala the ila de da ka umpang sarang bat haka jing ya nia kala ong yilau jong kurim ban wiang ding ya ka bat kala poeja Haduh uni upot. Kawai pat ke bas ngolingo kalong ba watla kadai ke jingja Haduh ban da syem ya ke jing imreu pen ban ki Bahaïing hasem jong ka kong Madeline kong maulo kim syem la Ujor ya kani siki Pulit bat kila pen khoi no ya ka met da ka ba ong ru ba kila dap Ïasuk apdang ki ar liangkor.
Papat ong ya ime wala perlu su katulap ime pat dom ganyan no ila tak syarak na lalu tak syarak kan ong pa tak syarak phama ong ime no ong pa mi hang na iding lam ime pat mi iding pa tap te su hi pa da kom
pan Ujor ngau babi ba rot bom lang na au bi bom lang bom ron pisam ron tingkat le ta kecing makalai tai param ngai persak mut ai su biến loại chẳng nguyên cái sân cái thảo đó chúng ta cả chừng một ngã quả nó lại sân đình sẽ bỏ gà chỉ bắt khăn ngà cũng ta đi.
Watla na kaliang ki Bahaïing hasem jong ka kong Madeline kong maulo kim syem la Ujor ya kani siki Pulit da ka ba ong ru bakil dap Ïasuk henry namar ba kadai ke jingja ka ba Haduh banda syem ya ka jing imreu kumta na kaliang ka wai na kiriya tremon sobha na kani kanong ba shilong ka balong ru kanong yalam jong ka seng Civil Society Women's Organization ka kong Agnes Karshieng kala Ujor ya kani ke jingja da ka FIR halor kani ke jingja siki Pulit.
Kalau belengo ba msyem dan ba pentip siki bor jong ka an tingi ngi pentip no namar ka de kamram jungi ban pentip la da ngitip gono ka kam ka pla ka jing ja ka basusik ba ja hanu kala ayap ka brio la sha thang ka brio kat bandu e ka jing im te kam solong bangin chus ngap tingi hap pentip ka jing pentip ka ejar kalong ka jing pentip tingi pentip ka bor ka an ber ka sayaj khamat ban toket ke kiru kide ki beri baduk bat kitu ki Bahaïing bahasam ru kidon ki baduk te ki kadon ru ka haka jing duna ka jing biet jungki kim datip ya ka ai ka bakin haple ka ai let's say ka de ka taru te ka awareness ka duna palat bat ngis ngoru ba ka de bandon awareness ya ki rang ba snong ya ki nong senchar snong ba kim de ban ngap kum ya kini ki jing ja haka bandu bat ka jing im baro ki beriu boni kin thaj ya karkom trekam jongga senchar khadat la yuhi kinu nu ki kies ki shuya sa teng bat kimyo ya ka hong te le si kala ban long ru kata ka jing so la du jing kermen ba men to en dale ki ru kala ban dei kata ru te kala ban tei kata ba kim kwa banya bun kam banya ai hendrai hakaliang jungi berengi super khat kala du ka jing im chu ngap kam soya dei ke nyamar ba kitu ki khun beret ru ki don kam la ka counseling ki la yu ikat ka kami ka ing tu kam dei ke basuk
halor kani ke jingja ka bai dei bat ki Bahaïing hasem jong nong Pynïap kumju ki Bahaïing hasem jong ka Longkmie ka blasa Pynïap haka ba na kaleng juki ki Khlem pentep siki bor jong ka an halor kani ka kambaman na kaleng ka bati CCTV kalayo ro banyak ren kerpang bat USP ka East Castles District u Davis ar marang ka ai ka ba udan banong halor kani ka benta.
We got a report day before yesterday that there was some incident of this sort which has happened. So we deputed our officers to make an inquiry. And during inquiry it was found that on the 24th night time, the victim, Srimati Madeline Kong Maulo of Mao Shun village and her friend, they were sitting in their house in the evening. And their 11-year-old daughter was also present, and along with one of the cousin, one child of around 11 years old. And when they were sitting, that time the husband of this victim Sri Bestarwell Nongklau. He came to the house in inebriated condition, and they had an argument with the wife. And during the argument, they had a heated argument, and later which the victim poured kerosene on herself and dared the husband to light her up. So the husband actually took out a matchbox and lit her up. And during which her friend, the friend of the victim, ran away from the house. All the daughter and her cousin also ran away from the house. And later she was buried secretly. I mean, not secretly, but without informing others. She was buried quietly in the village. And the other villagers were actually informed that she had burned herself. Like it was a suicide case. So most of the villagers didn't actually know the real story. Later, we got to know that through our sources, we got to know that there was some foul play. And based on our inquiry, when we did the inquiry, then we examined the witnesses, and they confirmed that she was actually burned by the husband. We have later registered a case against the husband. We have arrested the husband, and during interrogation, he has admitted that he did burn the wife.